warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Medan Dayang. My name is Nur Hamiza binti Mata from class BA 2734B. Today, I will present about current issue in workplace, which is leadership in value in building a green workplace culture. Today, organizations are facing significant environmental challenge, including pollution, climate change, and waste management. Therefore, leaders play an important role in creating sustainable and environmentally friendly workplace. So, how will leaders influence employees and organization culture to become a more environmentally responsible? Before that, firstly, what is a green workplace culture? Green workplace culture is a workplace that supports environmental sustainability. Example, reducing paper use, recycling, saving electricity, using digital system, and reducing plastic waste. Next, what is leadership? Leadership is leader influence employee behavior and organization value. These two link with organizational development because of organization development help organization manage change. Building green culture require behavioral and cultural change. Leaders help employees adapt to sustainable practice indirectly. Organizational development help organization change their culture and employee behavior towards sustainability. Next, role of leadership. Leaders drive innovation and help organizations adapt to change. Leadership means guiding people to reach company goals by setting direction, creating a vision, and using resources effectively. Strong leadership is a key to organizational success. Leaders motivate employees to take shared responsibility for sustainability and encourage collaboration by empowering them to share ideas. This builds a culture that supports sustainable change and transformation. Leadership in green practice goes beyond following regulation. It means embedding sustainability into the company values. My findings suggest that the success of the leadership style in driving sustainability depends on the organization culture. Firstly, hierarchy culture. This culture, which emphasizes flexibility, innovation, and external responsiveness, was identified as more conducive to the integration of sustainability consideration and incorporating environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria into investment decision making. Second, clan culture. Similar to hierarchy, the clan culture, which is characterized by collaboration, collective learning, and focus on people, was also found to facilitate the adoption of sustainable investment practice. In contrast, the data note that two other culture, which is hierarchical culture and market-oriented culture. These two cultures, rigid, rural, driver culture focused on efficiency, are less open to fully adopting sustainability. Competitive, goal-oriented culture often react by meeting requirements without truly embracing them. In contrast, flexible and innovative culture like advocacy and clan integrate sustainability more effectively than hierarchical or market drive. Next, organization development solution. Develop ethical reasoning skill. Courage to speak up and courage to voice concern when faced with ethical dilemmas while on clinical placement was highlighted. Confidence to take a stand with ethical concern was perceived as essential to being an ethical leader. Second, modeling ethical behavior. It was evidenced throughout ethical leadership goals. Employees plan to demonstrate ethical value and reflect upon their practice from an ethic. Third, communicating ethical stories through listening, questioning, and connecting. Leaders explain the importance of communication skill, including listening, questioning, and connecting with others to deliver ethical practice. Effective communication with patient employees goal emphasize that teamwork is essential for all health practitioners to ensure quality ethical care for patients. Next, I will discuss about human resource practices. HR flexibility is conceptualized as an organizational capabilities comprising, firstly, variety of skill. HR ensure employees have diverse ability like technical, creative, communication, and leadership so that employees are productive to do work. For example, a retail company train staff in both customer service and digital sales. Second, effective use of skill. HR design system to use those abilities for flexibility and success. For example, rotating employees into different projects so that the company can quickly adapt to market change. This is about how HR use those skills to help the company stay flexible, quick to respond, and successful in a changing environment. One of example in company is IKEA. IKEA promotes sustainability by reducing waste, using renewable material, and encouraging environmental friendly practice. The company also promotes green value among employees and customers. Other than that, IKEA include assisting co-workers to deliver high-quality, customer-oriented service, making innovative suggestions to improve customer service, and dealing restlessly with customer problems until they are resolved. In conclusion, leadership plays an important role in building a green workplace culture. Through strong value, employee involvement, and organizational development practice, companies can create a more sustainable future while improving employee awareness and organizational reputation.